All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Another day of madness. Geez, Pinterest just blow out earnings. So real quick, I'll be back. Geez, oh, Pete's. Man, I've been crazy bullish Pinterest for a long time. Beautiful earnings winner. Man, I tell you, I'll talk about this at noon on the daily briefing, but I mean, I hate to do the whole kind of repeat thing, but if you're here, man, I've been, the Apples, the Googles, the Facebooks, the Amazons, the Pinterest, the Pelotons, the Zooms. I mean, technology stocks. Okay, now, I know we're here to talk crazy day trades, but I'm telling you, if you've got a longer term profile, the FANGs, the Facebook, Apple, it's nuts, just nuts. Beautiful on Pinterest. So anyway, let me get notes going, and let's get to work here. A lot to go over. Use the Q&A button as always. One thing I do want to mention, morning panic dip buys. A lot of you guys ask about, what's a morning panic dip buy look like. I did a video. It's on YouTube. It's on Instagram. It's everywhere. It's what I call like an evergreen video. Okay, it's not like one of these live videos. But that's on our channel everywhere. Check that out. It's doing really. The reason I bring it up is it's got a ton of comments and a ton of views. So I guess people are really liking it. So if people are really liking it, I say you should check it out. But anyway, check that out. That was the one thing I did want to bring up this morning. And let's go. APDN. Oh, guess what? It's a low float virus play. I can't believe it. I can't believe that there's a stock gapping up 40% that's low float and is a virus play. I can't believe it. Never seen this before. APDN, not amazing volume, but you guys know the recipe. Dip and rip, or if it dies, it dies. I actually have an Ivan Drago shirt that I keep forgetting to wear. So when we talk about these dip and rips, okay, I say, I joke about the Ivan Drago analogy because, Rocky 3, man, it's not, I don't know if Rocky 3 is my favorite movie, definitely top 5. So anyway, if APDN dies, it dies. I don't care. I'm not looking to buy this dip. I'm not looking to dip buy this, for instance. I'm just looking high day breaks, post 945. If it dies, it dies. I just don't care. I don't care if it dies. ZN. So we've had some oil and gas pops. Man, nuts. So had some news yesterday afternoon. Ran on that news. I don't know. This is what I'm going to say. There's so many stocks out there. I'm going to focus on, Drago. You're right. Rocky 4. Rocky 3 with Clubber Lang is probably my favorite movie. But you're right. Rocky 4. I can't believe I screwed up a Rocky reference. It's so embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Anyway, I can't believe I botched a Rocky reference. That's problematic. It's very disconcerting to me. Really broke my flow. Oil and gas. I'm going to focus on virus plays today. Listen, Zion is the pattern, but there's so much going on today. I'm going to focus on virus play. Oil and gas, just not on my radar. Too much out there. There is too much going on. I mean, we got earnings winners all over the place. We got virus plays all over the place. I can't watch it all. I can't trade it all. Electric vehicles. I mean, there's just too much. So, I mean, Apple, I think. I mean, the cool thing with Apple is, first of all, great earnings. They're doing that split. So the cool thing about Apple is they're going to split. So the stock's going to go down to like $100 a share, and you're going to get so many more buyers because people don't want to buy a $400 stock. In my opinion, Apple, I mean, this is, especially with all the Robin Hooders out there, I don't know why. If Apple's doing a split, why not split it down to $10 a share? I mean, that's what, I mean, if I was Tim Cook and I was doing a split, why split it down to 100? Split it down to 10, you know, and let all the Robin Hooders buy it, you know. So anyway, very bullish Apple, long term, okay. Candy, potential short squeeze. Ooh, I don't know. I mean, listen, you remember Mist last Friday? Remember Mist? Did nothing, and then what happened Friday afternoon on Mist? Didn't we got like wasn't there like a $3 or $4 spike? $3 or $4 spike on, let me look. So, I would say this. Let me jump back to last Friday on Mist. Yeah. The 24th was Friday, right? Yeah. Okay. So there you go. What do I think about Candy? It could definitely be today's Mist. And if you wonder what I mean by today's Mist, look at the chart of Mist on the 24th. What did it do at precisely, I got something in my eye. What did it do at exactly 2 p.m., man? So that's my opinion. I think Candy could definitely, if it does nothing, and you see the volume come into that 2 p.m. window, I could definitely see Candy being today's Mist. Candy afternoon watch could for sure be today's Mist. Whoops. Nokia earnings winner, man. If you've been following me, you know a bit. I've been talking about Nokia for months. Now, not a fast mover, but I was talking about Nokia as a potential 5G play forever. Then we got that news on Huawei. Okay, remember, Huawei got kicked out of the UK. It's probably, in my opinion, the US is probably going to kick Huawei out. Someone's got to be building the 5G infrastructure. And it's no coincidence to me that Nokia had good earnings. So this is one of my favorite low-priced, slower movers. Okay, now Nokia's not going to spike 400% in a day, but if I had to pick my favorite low-priced, low-risk trade, it's Nokia. Been my favorite low-priced, low-risk idea for months. Talked about this, I don't know how many times. Hold on. Yep, okay. SRNE, I mean, you got a virus play at 52-week highs. I'd maybe look for dips to support at 9. It's up so much is the only thing. I would probably look for a pullback down to 9, that whole dollar, half dollar area on SRNE. Up so much. Look for pulls to whole dollar of 9 for entry. I mean, you know, we talked about SRNE months ago. When SRNE traded 500 million shares one day. So, oh, I see a breaking news. Also, there's an upgrade on SRNE too. SONN, dip and rip. Good volume, low float. So anyway, yeah, breaking news said upgrade on so much going on today. SRNE, sorry. There's just so much going on, man. I'm just looking for new tickers. Yeah, so I'll finish on this one. I love pins as a dip and rip for a buck or two. Like, love it, Wilbur. Wilbur, I love your idea. Pins. Earnings winner. Love Wilbur's idea of a dip and rip for a quick couple bucks a share. That's what's great about earnings with real stocks. When you've got a real stock with earnings, you can actually. I'm gonna finish on this point. What's awesome about earnings winners is you can apply penny stock patterns to stocks like Pinterest on the days they have these big moves. Now, pins from a day trade perspective next week probably won't. I mean, it'll probably just settle out and kind of do nothing. But on the day today, you can apply every penny stock pattern we talk about. You know, dip and rips, panic dip buys. I mean, VWAP hold high day breaks. You know, ABCD patterns. You know, every pattern we trade today is applicable to Pinterest. So, all right, everyone. I'm back at noon for the daily briefing. I know a lot of you guys are talking about earnings and stuff. That's what I'll be focusing on at noon, and I might have to sneeze. All right, I defeated the sneeze. So yeah, noon, talking earnings. You know, Apple, Google, I mean, Facebook. It's incredible. You know, I don't, you know, and that's something, again, I talk about a lot. I don't know why anyone cares about anything. You know, when you're talking real stocks, why would you care about anything that's not technology based? Somebody brings up, like, I don't know, like some, like I love it when people bring up like J.C. Penney or Fran or all these dying retailers. I'm like, why do you care, man? Focus on technology. We live in the greatest time in history. I'm talking to people around the world via a telephone. That's a supercomputer that's connected to Google, that's connected to 5G. I mean, Apple, Google, Facebook, Amazon. Focus on the future, not the past. And have a great day. Back here at noon. Check out that morning panic dip buy. Check out the Steady Trade team. Hit the link in bio. And have a great day.